So now we are going to see the instruction, that is add register. So the instruction is add register. The first part of the instruction is add. So opcode is add. The remaining portion of the instruction is known as operand, that is register. In the instruction, no data is present. It means this instruction is of only 1 byte. So this instruction is 1 byte instruction. 1 byte instruction means when this instruction is stored in the memory, it will occupy only one memory location. Machine cycle, we will see. Before that, let's see the meaning of the instruction. Now the instruction is add register. Add register means add content of register with accumulator. I am repeating, add content of register with accumulator and answer will be stored in the accumulator. Let's see one example so that you can get it. The example is add B. So add B means add content of register B with accumulator and answer will be stored in the accumulator. Before the execution, you can see that the content of accumulator is 32H in hexadecimal and content of register B is 44H. When this instruction is executed, the data of A and B will be added. So the content of accumulator is represented here in the binary, as well as the content of register B is represented in the binary. When this instruction is executed, these two numbers will be added. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. If you convert this number into hexadecimal, you will get 7 6 H. So after this instruction is executed, in the accumulator we will get answer. So 76H will be stored in the accumulator. What will be the content of register B? The content of register B will remain unchanged. So in the B, 44H will prevail. Now let's see the machine cycle. Because this instruction is of 1 byte, it means it will occupy only one memory location when this instruction is stored in the memory. So when we give this instruction, it will occupy only one memory location, that is add B. After the instructions are stored in the memory, the microprocessor will start doing its task, that is to fetch, decode and execute. Now to fetch the instruction, the processor will perform the first machine cycle, that is opcode fetch. So when microprocessor performs the opcode fetch, this whole instruction will be transferred to the microprocessor. Then microprocessor will decode that instruction. After decoding the instruction, processor will execute. Now if you pay attention, during the execution, the content of A and B are added and answer is stored in the accumulator. The register A and B are the part of the microprocessor and result is stored in the accumulator, that is again part of the microprocessor. What I am trying to say is, during the execution, processor is not performing any interaction with the memory. Processor is not performing memory read or it is not performing memory write. So in this case, for this instruction, only one machine cycle is required, that is opcode fetch. Now what will be the status of flag? Because this instruction is arithmetic instruction, all the flags will be affected according to the result. So now we are going to see the instruction, that is add n. For this instruction, the first part is opcode. So opcode is add. The remaining portion of the instruction is operand, that is n. In this instruction, you can see no data. It means this instruction is of 1 byte. Machine cycle, we will see that. Before that, let's see the meaning of the instruction. Now add m. It means add content of memory location with accumulator. I am repeating, add content of memory location with accumulator and answer will be stored in the accumulator. Now the question is content of memory location, but which memory location? So whenever in the instruction M is present, it means the memory location specified in HL pair. Let's see one example. Suppose example is add M. Before the execution, the content of accumulator is 32H. If you convert into binary, you will get this number. The content of HL pair is 4000H. Now what is the meaning of add M? Add M, it means add content of memory location specified in HL pair. So in HL pair, which memory location is specified? 4000H. So in the 4000H, what is the content? 44H. So when this instruction is executed, add M, it means add content of memory location specified in HL pair. So in HL pair 4000H, and what is the content of 4000H? That is 44H. So this 44H will be added to accumulator. So I have represented the 44H in the binary. Now let's perform the addition. 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. If you convert this number into hexadecimal, you will get 76H. After the execution in the accumulator, the answer will be stored, that is 76H. The content of HL pair will remain unchanged, so in the HL pair 4000H will remain. Now let's discuss the machine cycle. Because this instruction is of 1 byte, when you give this instruction in the memory, it will occupy only one memory location. So let's provide this instruction to the memory, and this instruction will be stored in the one location. After this instruction is stored in the memory, the processor will start doing its task, that is to fetch, decode and execute. To fetch this instruction, the microprocessor will perform the machine cycle, that is opcode fetch. When processor performs the opcode fetch, this instruction will be transferred from the memory to microprocessor. Then processor will decode and execute. Now pay attention during the execution. In the execution, what is happening? In the execution, the addition process is done between the accumulator and 44H. Now processor cannot perform any addition or subtraction when the data is present in the memory. If processor wants to perform any operation, the data should be first transferred from the memory to microprocessor. So to execute this instruction, one data is already present in the accumulator, but the another data is present in the memory location. So processor has to transfer the second data to itself. So to transfer this data to the microprocessor, it has to perform the machine cycle, that is memory read. So when memory read is performed, this 44H will be transferred from the memory to microprocessor. The processor will do addition, answer will be stored in the accumulator. It means for this instruction, two machine cycles are required, that is opcode fetch plus memory read. And as this instruction is arithmetic instruction, all flags will be affected according to result. And this is